The question is Ramkali, it is a name of a person, saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year, then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her savings becomes 20.75 rupees, find n. So at first he is saving 5 rupees. In the next week he will be adding 1.75 rupees. Again in the next week he will be adding 1.75 rupees, like that. Okay. And it becomes in 1 week the savings become 20.75 rupees. And our question is in which week? That means we have to find the value of n. So what we will do, first week the saving is 5 rupees. So what will be 5 with respect to our AP? It will be A. Okay, and what is the increment given? 1.75. That increment will be weekly, on the weekly basis, that is it's common, and it is the value of D for our AP. Okay, and we have to find n, so that savings become 20.75. So n is a question mark, and what is 20.75? It will be an. An is equal to 20.75. Okay, apply the formula. What is an? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 20.75. Apply the values. 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 1.75. This is into is equal to 20.75. Therefore, n minus 1 into 1.75 is equal to 20.75 minus 5. How we will subtract? 20.75 minus 5. 5 does not have a decimal value. So, where will we write 5? Here. Okay. If needed, you can put a decimal and write 2 zeros. So, 5, 7 and 20 minus 15, we know it as 15. 20 minus 5 gives you 15. So, the value is 15.75. Okay, so n minus 1 will be equal to 15.75 divided by 1.75. In the numerator there are 2 decimal places. In the denominator also there are 2 decimal places. So what we can do? Multiply both numerator and denominator with 100. So 15.75 into 100 by 1.75 into 100. So this value becomes, numerator becomes 1575 by 175. That is n minus 1. Again we have to divide. Okay, so just multiply 175 into 9. 9 5s are 45. 6 9 63 plus 4 gives you 67. 9 into 1 is 9 plus 6 gives you 1575. So this division will give you the value 9. So that n is equal to 10. Okay, the question was to find the value of n with the condition nth week savings is 20.75. We took 20.75 as an and we got the value of n as 10. So the last answer is n is equal to 10.